Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, in today's video we are going to be styling this 13 by 4 16-inch lace front wig by UNICE hair in the color honey blonde. I did purchase this hair off of Amazon for about $166, so the price wasn't too bad. So before we get into styling this hair, you guys, I just want to say RIP to the video of me installing this wig for you guys. I was making room on my memory card and accidentally deleted the video, you guys. I was literally sick for a few days because who does that? Who does that? So I might have to do a repeat or something. I don't know. But anyways, you guys, I decided I'd show you guys how this hair works when heat is applied, and baby, look at it. It is doing its thing. Okay, look. Okay, so we just gonna go ahead and continue to straighten. We just gonna see what this hair is all about. And so far, it's cool. This hair is cool. I like it. I decided to go with the honey blonde for two reasons. First, because I wanted something different, and it's completely different from that lime green wig I did in one of my previous tutorials. The honey blonde is also cute for the summer, so when I saw it on Amazon, I was like, might as well grab it and do it for the summer. And so far it has not been a regret color wise, so I'm definitely feeling this honey blonde. Now, since installing this wig a couple of days ago, I have noticed that the hair is still really soft, so that's a plus. And as you can see, I don't have to add any product to it in order for it to be silky straight. I also noticed it has minimal shedding. The lace was very transparent and easy to melt, so I really like that about this wig. I don't really care for how the tracks were sewed onto the frontal. I feel like someone got lazy, and instead of the wig having more space to part and style, they covered it up with some tracks, and that is a tad ghetto. But it's a whatever thing, because y'all don't know, but y'all getting ready to find out. I'm gonna make anything work. I'm gonna make anything work out for me. That's just how I operate. But aside from the tracks being laid on the frontal, I do like that the part is deep. So if you wanted to wear a middle part, it is very deep. And to be honest with you, when you do wear the middle part, it's really cute, and it still looks really as natural as a blonde or a honey blonde wig is gonna look on anybody. But it definitely, it looks good. So even though I'm wearing a slight side part, I want to say the middle part be hidden. So yeah. So real quick, y'all, if this is your second or third time visiting my channel and you have not yet subscribed, I would like to encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that like button on this video, and hit that little bell on the side of the subscribe button so that you can be notified anytime I drop new tutorials or just new videos in general. So let's get back into this hair. Overall, I think this wig was a good buy. I do like UNICE hair, and I've been seeing a lot of ads about them and stuff like that going around on Instagram. So when I tried this hair, I was like, okay, it's not that bad of a quality. Like, the quality is very very nice. Again, the only thing that I didn't like was how they laid the tracks on the frontal. That's about the only thing, just because I wanted this frontal to be a little bit more of a free part instead of me only having one, maybe two ways of styling the front of this wig. So with my next purchase on wigs, I'm definitely going to be kind of keeping that in mind. And if you are someone that would prefer more of a free part, then I would obviously, suggest you go with a different brand, or, maybe they have different types of wigs where the frontal is made differently, but if they gonna be someone that tracks on the actual frontal, I don't know if I can get with that. But like I said, you know, it's still looking cute, it's still doing its thing. So because I am a little extra, even though you guys see me straighten this hair or this side of my hair and it looks pretty straight, I like to go in with my hot comb because I like for everything to be super straight, like super straight. And the only way I feel like I am achieving that is if I run back through with my hot comb at the front, just to, you know, make sure everything is laying where it's supposed to lay and doing what it's supposed to do. Overall, I would say that this hair was a decent buy. So if you are on Amazon and you have, you know, a little budget of $160 or so, I would purchase this wig just because the quality of the hair is good. Like I said, as I was straightening it, I didn't have to use any product or anything like that. So I would, you know, I like to go for the quality of the hair, the parting and stuff like that, depending on what look you're going for. You know, that could be a factor, could not be a factor. For me, it didn't matter because I feel like, you know, I was able to style the wig how I would wear the wig anyway. So, whatever. But yeah, I will go ahead and link the information to this wig in the description box down below so that you guys can click on it and see for yourself what the reviews are that other people had to say, and also, you know, here is my honest review on it. So this is a wig that, or not a wig, but this is a brand that I would definitely go back and purchase more hair from. Another reason I would go back and purchase from this brand is because the lace was really nice. Like I said, it was melting perfectly. It didn't give me no problems. And I mean, like, the more I tell y'all this, like, the more I get worked back up because my dumb behind went ahead and deleted that footage. Like, and as soon as I did it, I knew I had did it. I knew I did something wrong. It was terrible. Anyways, we're not gonna go back into the past because we have been asking God to grant us the serenity to accept the things we cannot change and the courage to change the things we can. Man, you see, every time I just say that quote to myself, I surrender and then I move on. Like, I'm gonna do that. Anyways, y'all let me know in the comments down below how y'all are feeling about this wig. And if this is something that you would go and purchase for yourself, or if you have tried UNICE hair, what are your thoughts on it? Like, how do you feel about it? Like, let me know. Talk to me in the comments down below. As a matter of fact, while y'all are at it, you might as well also subscribe, especially if you have not subscribed already and you are still watching this video. You might as well hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side so that you can just become a part of my family, become one of my cousins, one of my kinfolks, you know? I know right now I am going off when it comes to telling y'all to subscribe and comment and stuff like that, but just one last thing, if y'all want to go and be a follower on my Instagram, go right ahead. I have been posting photos lately. Y'all, I used to be really bad at posting Instagram content or just any kind of content, obviously, but I'm working on my consistency. I am working on getting everything out there, just showing y'all who I am. You know, I got some skills, I got a little bit of talent out here, so I figured while I make videos for myself, because like I told y'all before, I like to watch myself and I like to learn from myself and see what I could do better, especially because I enjoy doing makeup, I enjoy doing hair. So, you know, I do these videos for myself, but I am very lucky to be able to share my creativity with you guys as well. So if y'all want to be a part of my journey and just getting to know me and hanging out with me, being one of my kinfolks, I would suggest obviously subscribing and, you know, follow me on my Instagram, because we never know, there might be some things on Instagram that's not being shown on the channel and vice versa, you know. whatever. So just want y'all to stay in the loop because yeah, just stay in the loop. We got some things coming. And my Instagram handle is the same as my YouTube handle. It's just at Dazja Jordan. So boom, yeah, y'all go and follow me on there if you haven't already. After this video, of course. But look, y'all, this hairstyle is almost completed. I know I didn't do much but straighten his hair, but I wanted to give you guys my honest review on it. And if you are feeling this blonde, I would say go ahead and give it a try. If you are not going to do anything but wear a middle part and maybe a slight side part, go ahead. I would say this wig is nice, and I will say that honestly based off the quality of the hair. And on top of that, it is beginner friendly. So if this is your first wig, I would say this is not a bad buy coming from Amazon. So keep that in mind, consider that. Okay. So I do want to thank you guys so much for coming and kicking it with me while I straighten my hair. This was such a nostalgia moment for me because when I was younger, I used to sit in the bathroom and, you know, kick it with my cousins when they would be straightening their hair and stuff like that. And, you know, I think it's awesome for y'all to just come and kick it with me while I straighten my hair. Is giving me that old feeling back. So I like it, and I really appreciate y'all for that. So if I could leave y'all with anything to take home from my channel, it would honestly be to keep putting yourself first, keep getting things done and growing, because honestly that's going to unlock the next version of you. And if you're not out here striving to be the best version of yourself, I don't know what you're doing. So if you are out here doing the shadow work, or if you just need a little bit of encouragement in the right direction, I want y'all to just remember that, you know, keep going, keep pushing to be the best version of yourself, because God don't bless no mess. I'm trying to tell you, he don't bless no mess. So keep your house in order. And when I say your house, I mean you, because you are a sanctuary. Keep you in order, and also keep your actual home in order, and things will it will always work out for you. I'm telling you, it will always work out for you. But anyways, you guys, I want to again thank you so much for hanging out with me while I styled this wig, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and check out more of my videos if you want to, and also, you know, follow me on Instagram if you feel like it. Bye y'all.